What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is one of the big buzzwords that is flying around at the moment, and it basically refers to the fourth industrial revolution. Well, we've seen transformative technologies that have changed industry. At the moment, this fourth industrial revolution sees smart factories with connected machines and intelligent robots. But how do we get there? The first industrial revolution basically started in this 1770s, will be moved from hand to machine, from farms to the first factories, using steam and water power. Then 100 years later, electricity arrived, and the next industrial revolution. So this gave us automation, it gave us assembly lines. So this was the real start of factories that as we know them today. Another 100 years later, we have the computer arrive around 1970. We now have computers that would allow us to automate some of the blue collar work in factories. We have electronics in them. And this latest industrial revolution, which has just started, which we refer to as Industry 4.0, is now not looking at these individual computerized machines, but this whole network of them. They're all talking to each other. We have intelligent factories, and some of the underlying technologies of this new industrial revolution is the Internet of Things. We have smart machines and have sensors in them that are connected to networks and talk to each other, so they can diagnose their own problems and alert someone that something is going wrong within the machines. We have big data, so all of these machines generating huge volumes of data that we can now use and analyze, and we can use things like artificial intelligence and machine learning to make out of this data. So we get things like predictive maintenance, where a machine or an assembly line will tell us that it might be going to break down in the next day, or so we need to fix things before they actually ever happen. We now have interconnected supply chains, where ships are talking to warehouses, they are talking to trucks. It also enables us to have more intelligent, robust and autonomous things like vehicles and drones. So this means that we now have ships arriving, the containers can be tracked, the warehouse can be ready, even if there's a delay. We can now shape things automatically using delivery robots. Where I live in Milton, Kansas, we now have the Starship robots delivering our shopping. They even deliver the fish and chips from our local fish and chips shops. So they're completely autonomously driving robots that come to our house and deliver things. So this is Industry 4.0, this new world of smart connected machines and intelligent robots that, and we basically what this basically means, that is this new industrial revolution means we need to rethink our businesses. We need to take them from the third industrial revolution to this new brave world of Industry 4.0, and we need to develop our skills, and we need to figure out what the role is of that people will play in all of this. So we're now talking about cobots. So we share our working environment with intelligent robots. So we need to make sure that we find in place and new place for all of us. And this is what I help companies do, is to I help them prepare for this new fourth industrial revolution, help them shape their business processes, their business skills, so they can leverage all of these new technologies. And like every previous industrial revolution, the organizations that don't prepare for this will very left behind, quickly be left be. And if you're a company that makes typewriters, you will be superseded by someone that makes computers. And in the same way, anyone that doesn't leverage all of these technology will not be as efficient, as effective. They will not deliver smart solutions to their customers, and therefore will be left behind. If you would like to learn more, head to my website at bernardmarcom.com. We can find tons of articles, white papers, and videos that will give you a lot more insights of the real world case studies and examples.